How dangerous is pickling paste? Keep watching and I'll show you exactly. Pickling paste is a strong acid, historically used to clean stainless welds. The main ingredient is hydrofluoric acid, which if you've ever seen Breaking Bad, you'll know what that stuff does to you. It works by removing a layer of the base material, exposing the raw stainless steel, and therefore clearing away the oxide and discoloration. However, this process cannot guarantee instant passivation, which means for the next 48 hours, this material could become contaminated with airborne mild steel particles, which will cause rust. Electrochemical weld cleaning creates a chemical reaction on the surface without altering the structure or damaging the base material. It also leaves the surface passivated and protected. As you can see from this time lapse, there was simply no competition. A quick glance at the MSDS and you'll see countless number of health and safety warnings. This is not good stuff to use. Slow, dangerous and ineffective. It's clear to see why more people are switching to electrochemical weld cleaning.